Hi everyone, in this video I am going to give you the demo of this application I-beam Generate QR Code. This application will automatically upload the IFC of the selected assembly with the drawing annotations, and it will also add QR code to the assembly drawing so that anyone who has been part of the project can scan the QR code with their mobile device or iPad and view the IFC assembly with drawing annotations. So before I run this application, let me just show you how it works. So in the interest of the time, I have already completed the process. You can see this annotation. I'm going to scan this QR code with my mobile. Scroll down and press this cloud symbol, and when you zoom in, you can see this column with drawing annotations. So if you want to hide any particular view dimension, you can just simply press hide. I'm just doing everything on my mobile device. So if any dimension is missing, the fabricator doesn't have to go back to the office or request the detailer to add dimension. If you know how to use the measurement tool in Trimble Connect, you can check the dimension. For example, can you see now? It automatically shows the dimension between the two bolts. So this application, it works for both steel assembly and precast drawings. So let me show you how this application works. First, you have to publish this model into Trimble Connect and upload the model, and then open this application, select the server, and then select the project and select the assembly. Now you can see I keep the switch as select assemblies. You should also keep the document manager open. Now let me just click publish annotation. It is processing now. It's complete. Let me just open the drawing of this rafter. And here is the QR code. I'm going to scan it now. So here is the rafter with all the drawing annotations. Let me select the cloud symbol, and as I said, you can hide any particular view dimension. For example, I just want to hide section AA and section BB. And again, when you press the cloud symbol, it will automatically hide the screen so that you can have a better view. Let me show you for the cast unit drawing. In the interest of the time, I have already processed the precast drawings. So let me just go and open the document manager, cast unit drawing, and I'm opening CP1. So here is the annotation. I'm scanning with my mobile device. So here is the panel with drawing annotations. This application will actually help the fabricators to view the IFC assembly before they even start their fabrication. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.